Adam, thank you. Today we got our most thorough look at the law enforcement response into the Robb Elementary School shooting in Uvalde. The United States Attorney General went to that community and he called what happened on May 24th of 2022 a complete and utter failure. You remember that 19 students and 2 teachers were killed that day. Tonight, we also hear from one of the law enforcement officials who was named in that newly released critical incident report from the Justice Department. And he's defending his actions on that terrible day.
I got there 16 minutes later. I entrusted in the man with the gold badge.
That's Uvalde County Sheriff Ruben Nolasco shifting blame to former Uvalde CISD Police Chief Pete Arredondo. Many of the details in that newly released report confirmed what the families of the victims and survivors have been saying for the last 20 months. Our KSAT team has been digging through the nearly 600-page report all day. And as Lee Waldman reports, many are hoping that this new information we're getting spurs accountability.
It is hard to look at the truth that the law enforcement response on May 24th was an unimaginable failure.
A failure by those who were supposed to respond to children's calls for help inside of classrooms here at Robb Elementary.
33 students and 3 of their teachers, many of whom have been shot, were trapped in a room with an active shooter for over an hour as law enforcement officials remained outside.
The Department of Justice releasing its critical incident review of the law enforcement response on May 24th, 2022. For nearly 2 years, the families of the 21 victims have cried out, saying law enforcement did not stop the gunmen as they were trained. Thursday, that was confirmed.
Had the law enforcement agencies followed generally accepted practices in an active shooter situation and gone right after the shooter to stop him, lives would have been saved.
This report listed 10 instances where law enforcement should have and could have stopped the killing, but didn't. As expected, it pointed fingers at the lack of action taken by then Uvalde CISD Police Chief Pete Arredondo and acting Uvalde Police Chief Mariana Pargas. One of the surprises inside of this DOJ critical incident review is the fact that the crime scene inside of classrooms 111 and 112 was compromised by members of law enforcement who returned back simply to get another look for themselves.
I didn't realize that the scene was compromised. The scene was compromised, that there was people that shouldn't have been there that were entering the classroom.
With this report finalized, these families are turning their focus back to Uvalde County District Attorney Christina Mitchell to file criminal charges on those who can be held accountable.
I also hope that this lights a fire up under the district attorneys, because we know that she has not done a thing, and we refuse to accept that.
In Uvalde, Lee Waldman, KSAT 12 News.
Keep up to date with all of San Antonio's top news, weather, and so much more by clicking the like and subscribe buttons below. And once again, thanks for watching KSAT.